Alrighty, so we are going to keep the Hanukkah celebrations going because now we're celebrating with one of my favorite things. We're talking about food now.
Oh yeah. Vinny Di Natale joins us with the great spread at the Las Vegas iconic Jewish delicatessen and bakery, Siegel's Bagelmania. Thank you so much for joining us, Vinny.
Hey, thanks for having me. I hope you're hungry. We came prepared.
I
Clearly
am.
We're always hungry. Me and Alyssa, you can always bet on that. So talk about the traditional Hanukkah spread.
Yeah, so we're talking about that. So you got to start with the latkes, obviously, the potato pancakes, and they come with sour cream and what's special about Bagelmania, not just applesauce, but our special cherry applesauce.
Ooh.
People love it. And you can even buy it separately too.
Okay.
So,
we need to do a quick plug because I think people would think sour cream and applesauce together weird, but it's like such a it's like an untapped flavor combo that I think we need to put on more things.
absolutely, you got to try it. Especially now, it's a great time to do it.
Yes,
Okay.
for sure.
All right, what else we got?
So we have our sliced meat dinner. We have with the potato pancakes as well, and the mixed vegetables, and we have a half roast chicken as well. So roast chicken, vegetables. You can get this as an individual plate, or you can get a large plate that serves 8 to 10 for the whole feast. Like you see here, it's a big plate, and I hope you're hungry. And of course, I couldn't come without bagels. You know, best bagels in Vegas. We also have knishes, and our friends at Pink Box made us the Star of David donuts, and also the Hanukkah jelly donuts. They're
Oh my
terrific.
gosh.
I learned yesterday because Alyssa actually taught me that bagels are a Jewish food. I didn't know that. So what is special about you guys though? Because I see a lot of like variety right here.
Well, you start with the best quality ingredients and the best team that puts them together. So we have that. We boil and bake. So you got that hard, crunchy outside, soft, chewy inside, and you add schmear to it, and it's perfect.
Okay, Vinny, I made Hanukkah dinner once. It took me all day. It was so much work.
Don't do
and
that.
I know, and of course it was delicious, but you guys are making throwing the party a little bit easier.
Exactly. Just call us up. We can do individual meals. Like I said, serve 8 to 10 for our family feast. So get that, just multiply. Have leftovers for later. Like we do all of it for you. Comes in nice containers where you can just reheat for whenever you want to enjoy it. We also have the kugel here as well. So everything you want for your Hanukkah meal.
Talk to us about the kugel and the knish because I think those are not as well known.
Yeah. So we also have the potato and cheese, and the meat as well. Knishes, kugel, noodles, raisins in there. So it's a different flavor as well.
It's like a sweet noodle.
Yeah, sweet noodle
baked dish.
Yeah. Again, you got to try it. Might be something like cherry and applesauce and sour cream not going together, but you got to try it and you'll really enjoy it. And of course, your rolls, and it's going to be challah rolls for Hanukkah.
Of course. Oh my gosh, I love that. And I know jelly donuts aren't your favorite, but you guys have the classic.
Exactly, the classic Hanukkah jelly donut. That's what all my Jewish friends tell me to call it because I can't pronounce the correct term, but that's what it is. The powdered sugar jelly inside. It's delicious. You're really gonna like it. And if you don't know what to get for a person, you can always get gift cards at Bagelmania.
Hold on,
Perfect
our
time.
producer Darren's gonna help us get the right. Souf ganyot.
Okay, I'm gonna let you
right?
say that. Was that right? Okay, I'm gonna let you say that. This I've actually never seen before. But before we get to that, where can people find more information on you and Bagelmania and all you guys do?
BagelmaniaLV.com. We're on all socials, same Bagelmania LV. Find us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can order directly from the site for this holiday meal for Hanukkah. We also have Christmas coming up, and anything else you want for ordering just the best bagels in Vegas as well.
Okay, this was so great, Vinny, but can we stop talking and start eating?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Listen, okay, I'm gonna wait because this is not gonna be cute when I do this. So I'm gonna give a second. Vinny, thank you so much. I want to send it to commercial so we can actually eat this, but go ahead.